Hey guys, Miles here. This is going to be your video on how to patch Bonelab so you can get mods like Fusion in your Bonelab so you can play multiplayer with your friends. I'll show a clip of that right now.
Hey, go, go, go! Whee! 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 Let me run you!
Stand ready for my
Oh my
worm.
God!
Now the first thing you need to do in order to patch Bonelab is enable developer mode on your Quest. I'll show you how to do that right now. I'm pretty sure it's the same for all devices. Alright, the process of turning developer mode on is very simple. First, you want to get into your Meta Horizon app. Then you want to click on the little headset button. Go to your Meta Quest, headset settings, and developer mode. And switch that little switch on. Alright, now that you have developer mode enabled on your Quest, you'll want to go to the first link in the description. It'll be this one right here. And you want to install the latest version of Lemon Loader, which will be this one right here. When you click here, it should go up here, and then click this one when it's done. Okay? Now you want to go down and look for one right here, melonloader.installer.app. Double click on it, press extract all, extract. Now you gotta go look for the this one right here, melonloader.installer.app. It will pop up with this, but it's perfectly fine. It won't give you viruses. I've used it plenty of times, my friends have used it plenty of times. It's perfectly safe. Press more info and press run anyway. And then when you get here, your Quest should pop up. In this case I'm using a Quest 3S, but it should work on any device. And then press use this device. Press Bonelab, press patch. Now this will take a couple of minutes depending on how fast your Wi-Fi is. If it's fast, great, but if it's slow it might take couple minutes to hours. I will cut back to this when it's done. My Bonelab is now done patching, so you will want to continue in your headset. Alright, now in your headset you're going to want to click on Bonelab, and if it comes up with anything that says restore, do not click that, or else you'll have to complete the entire patching process again. It might take you a while to load in, but when you load in, you are perfectly okay to close out. That's just so you know that you have it done. Alright, when you get to this shader pre-warming screen, you are perfectly safe to close out, and you may continue on your computer. Alright, now that you're done patching your Bonelab, you'll want to go to the second link in the description, and it'll bring you to this page. Bonelab, you just want to press manual download, and then you want to press the third link in the description and get thunderstore mod assistant. Once you have both of those files installed, you're going to want to open SideQuest's advanced installer. Now, if you don't have this, there's plenty of tutorials on how to set it up and stuff. It's actually pretty easy. I'm not going to show it in this one, but you can search all over YouTube and find one. But if you do have it, you're going to want to go to Manage Files on this headset, go to Melon Loader, com.stresslevel0.bonelab. You want to go to Mods, but you're basically just going to go to Mods in the Bonelib folder, drag and drop the bonelib.dll, into your home screen, and then just drag it back into this right here. It should pop up, and then you want to do the same thing in the thunderstore mod assistant. Click that and move it here, and then you're gonna want to go back to com.stresslevel0.bonelab, go to plugins, and go to plugins in your thunderstore mod assistant folder, and drag and drop this to your home screen, and then drag and drop it here. Alright, once you're done with that step, you can close these two files, and then you're going to want to go back to your SD card, you're gonna want to go to Android, data, find com.stress level 0. Okay, yep. Bonelab, files, delete these saves files, and put the file that you dragged and dropped into your home screen, this folder right here. And the same thing with your mods. Alright, now you're going to want to go to mod.io/g and click on this little profile icon here, and it should come up with an option to either create an account or log in. Log in or create an account with whatever you use, like, here, wait, hold on, I'll show you. You can log in with Steam, Epic Games, Xbox Live, etc. Or you can log in with whatever account you use. Alright, now in Bonelab, you're going to want to go to the mods section, select downloads, mod.io, and there should be a little code here and a link above it that's mod.io/connect. And I will show you that now. Alright, now you're going to want to go to mod.io/connect. And then put in the code from whatever it is on your Bonelab page. In this case, mine is 68BPB. 68BPB. Yep. And then when it's linked, this screen should have changed to say login complete like it does here. And now you should be able to download whatever mods you want by pressing subscribe on them in mod.io. Now in Bonelab, you're going to see something new. When you go to preferences, you're going to see Bone menu. Here you can see your thunderstore mod assistant where you can get code mods, and you can search up Fusion, press enter, and you can download Fusion. And I'll show you how to set all that up right now. What you're going to want to do is open up Steam. In the Steam search bar, you're going to want to search up Steam VR. This one right here. And you're going to want to press install or play, or yeah, whatever. You don't even really need to use this. You can honestly just... Now you're going to want to go to whatever number link in the description this one is. Go to fusionhelper._windows.zip. Press install. It should go up here. Press done. When it's done, press Fusion Helper. Extract all. Extract. Press done. Press Fusion Helper. And then you need to press allow here. Now in Bonelab, you're going to want to go to Preferences, Fusion, and press Login. Oh, yep, allow whatever permissions pop up. And then you're good to go. Here you can enter codes, start servers with your friends, and all that fun stuff. I hope you liked this video. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.